Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Pīwa I Aruarumia by Aesop. There are two kupu hou. The first is motu-kia, and it means to sever. Me tūpato te tapahi, kei motu-kia tō mati-mati. Be careful when cutting, or else you'll sever your finger. Our second kupu is kahu, and it means cloak. I whatua e te kuiara, tētahi kahu hei koha ki te whānau. The kuia there wove a cloak as a gift for the whānau. Kia are mai ngā taringa. Listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hāna nā hoki te noho whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Pīwa I Aruarumia, nā Aesop. He wā tōna I pōhehe, he rongo ā te whiore o te Pīwa. Nā kona iri te tonu ai te Aruarumia o te kararehe. Ara a tētahi koraua ihu mana o te hungarā, e kaha whāia ana e ngā kuri, e mōhio pai nei hoki ki tā rātou e hiahia nei. Ka whakaaro ake kia ngaua tōna whiore kia motu kia rāno, me te waiho atu. Nā reira ia I ora tonu ai. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, e tata ake ana ngā kiri I te kahu. The Hunted Beaver by Aesop. The tail of a beaver was once thought to be of use in medicine, and the animal was often hunted on that account. A shrewd old fellow of the race, being hard-pressed by the dogs, and knowing well why they were after him, had the resolution and the presence of mind to bite off his tail and leave it behind him, and thus escaped with his life. The moral being, the skin is nearer than the cloak. Tēnā rā koe I tāu whakarongo mai ki whakamiere. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to, it would be amazing if you could take just a few minutes to rate and review us on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference in helping us to be discovered by new listeners. If you'd like to show your tautoko in another way, we have a Patreon page. For just $6 a month, you get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is now more than 100 posts. Better yet, if you're a kaimahi in Kura, Kohanga Reo, Puna Reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Simply email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a free Patreon link. A massive mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast couldn't be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.